He also allowed them rest during breakfast, lunch and tea time because they are hungry men. At that time, they are hungry men. Student, today we are going to learn remaining part of this poem. Okay, student. First, I will read fourth stanza of the poem. But different folk have different views. I know a person small. She keep 10 million serving men who get no rest at all. Student, now see the explanation of this stanza. Poet says that different people have different views. Student, folk means people. Student, do you know our views different and our friends' views different? In this way, different people have different views. Poet telling that I know a person small and that is lady. She keep 10 million serving men and she is not giving rest to 10 million serving men. This lady used to keep the servant busy in their work. What does the work this lady tell to 10 million serving men that we will see in the last stanza of the poem? She sent them abroad on her own affairs. From she opens her eyes, 1 million house, 2 million wares and 7 million wives. In the fifth stanza, poet saying that the small person, that is a small lady, she used to send 10 million serving men abroad on her own affairs. Send them abroad on her own affairs means send them away to other places to do her work. From the second, she opened her eyes. From the second means as soon as the small person, as soon as she opened her eyes, means as soon as she wake up, she used to send her servant to various places to do her work. She is not giving rest to her servant. Poet says that she sent 1 million house, 2 million wares and 7 million wives to do her work. Here 1 million house, 2 million wares and 7 million wives, they are the servant. Means how poet keep what, why, when, how, where and who. These 6 honest serving men. In that way, the small person, that is called lady, keep 10 million serving men. In that 1 million house, 2 million wares and 7 million wives are there. Here, house, wares and wives, these are the names of the servant of this small person. Do you understood, student? A small person, she has kept 10 million serving men. In that 10 million serving men, 1 million house, 2 million wares and 7 million wives are there. Student, see the picture. See the picture of the small person. This lady, she keeps 10 million serving men. And she keep 10 million serving men and she sent them for her work. She not giving any rest to 10 million serving men. Student, now I want to tell you summary of this poem. In this poem, poet has kept 6 honest serving men. Their names are what, why, when, how, where and who. And give rest to these 6 honest serving men. He also allowed them rest during breakfast, lunch and tea time. Poet says that she knows a small person who did not give any rest to her 10 million serving men. As soon as she wake up, she sent her servant to do her work. Student, I hope you understood this poem. In next video, we will see exercise of this poem. Thank you.